What's going on, boaters? We are on a 2027 Premier 230 Sunsation. This just arrived. Let's check out a few features. Starting off in the front, you are going to have your two bow couches with in-seat cup holders, RGB lighting, wet sounds audio throughout the whole boat. Super easy to get into the compartments. Lots of room for your life jackets, towels, whatever you want on the boat, but you don't want it out with you. You have your co-captain, captain's chairs. You are going to get your flip-up table here. Nice and easy, and to have your snacks, drinks out while you're out on the lake all day long. You have your raised fiberglass helm stand with your magnetic glove box. Super easy to get into. And in the back, you are going to have your two couches as well, with your table here where we can keep out or put away to give you a little bit more extra room. And in the back, you are going to have your lily pad marine ladder, making it super easy to get in and out of the boat, even dog friendly. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax in Nisswa, or visit it on our website at marinemax.com. Let's get you on the water yet this summer.